ఫ్రంట్ కూర్చుంటారు. ఒక్క నిమిషం అని చెప్తాను. వెనక్కి కూర్చో. Bhavna, keep the DD plan ready. 1 hour plan. The phone తెచ్చావా?
Right.
Yeah, right. So Mitra, start with the index mapping.
The written one?
Handwritten first.
So first one is quality control. Audit quality is creating trust and application of rigorous audit process and quality control procedures to comply with the laws, regulations, professional standards and regulatory requirements. Then SQC1 is quality control for firms which perform audits and reviews of historical financial information and other assurance and related service engagement. This SQC1 talks about how auditor has to obtain reasonable assurance, and while obtaining that, the firm and personnel, they have to have comply with the professional legal standards and regulatory requirements.
Fair enough. So what are the 3 to 5 keywords which should be written in this? If a question comes from SQC1 or SL 220, so 3 to 5 keywords.
Reasonable assurance is the keyword. Then professional legal standards, regulatory requirements. And there are certain elements of quality control like leadership responsibilities, then ethical requirements, and then acceptance and continuance of client relationships and audit engagements. Then engagement team assignment as well as monitoring and documentation. So all these are important aspects of this job.
Fair.
And also there are certain mechanisms how you review it, like peer review, quality review, and National Financial Reporting Authority.
Okay.
So these things you just need to learn.
Okay. In case a question is asked, because you'll get a 5 marker from this generally. So once you go to the terms, then have a quick look. Okay. Next move on to 700 series.
Okay, 700 series major standards are 700, 701, 705, 706, 710 and 720. 700 is just an auditor giving an opinion. And it is expression of opinion whether the financial statements as a whole are free from material misstatement and whether they give a true and fair view. The key words are true and fair view and whether they are free from material misstatements. And 701 is key audit matters. Key audit matters are matters which are significant, which are presented and disclosed in the financial statement, and they are different from emphasis of
and that's not a replacement to modified opinion and disclosure.
Focus on these aspects.
And they are chosen from the matters which are communicated to TCWG.
Yeah.
TCWG or management or both?
Mainly TCWG because they are the higher level authority. Then 705 is modifications. Modifications is when the financial statements are materially misstated or when you do not have sufficient and appropriate audit evidence.
Right.
There are certain types of modifications like qualified, adverse and disclaimer. Qualified is when it is material but not permissive, with evidence or without evidence. Then adverse is material and permissive. Then disclaimer is material and permissive without evidence. These are the modifications. Then 706 is emphasis of matters and other matters. Emphasis of matters we saw. It is fundamental.